Razorblade TV. Entertainment in 3D. Serve. Oh, forgot to over here them say inside. What go on, brother?
Yeah, man.
You want to know cook food, no rice and peas, not like that.
Nah, only dry food, man.
No cook food, brother.
Nah, man.
No little spaghetti, no nothing.
Nah, man. We want them thing they got to the town, man.
In the town?
Yeah.
Way back, so?
Yeah, man. They just order food and so what they.
Me can call him and make them bring it come,
Yeah. You want the number?
Yeah, man, give me number now.
Yeah, man.
Okay, dog. What you tell me, say?
2,
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
8,
Yeah.
9,
Mm-hmm.
2.
Come man, this is urgent, man.
Yeah, man.
So when them people, you know me call it. Watch you know? It's like how you boss me. Send me two of them. No, wipe on the baby thing. Send me two of them chocolate. Alright, send me two of them chocolate. See? Yeah, man. Two of them chocolate. Alright, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
Big up. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, let me slow down and talk. I'm a Jamaican. Me need a rice and peas. You know what? I can get some chicken. It can be baked chicken, fried chicken, as long as me get some chicken. Alright, but the aluminum way. 23 aluminum way. What you say, 15 minutes? Yeah, man. Alright. 15 minutes to come out of that long town. Okay, man. Let me just stand aside and wait. We don't do nothing, you know. Hey, we don't do nothing.
Man.
Oh, yeah, the food, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, we just ready for road, you know, brother.
Go on.
But there, man.
$500.
How much?
$500.
$500.
Yeah, $500.
But that's cheap, man.
Manuel.
Yo, we don't reach quick enough.
No, me you say you're Jamaican, so I have to treat you nice for the first time. You're a customer, man.
You know what? Take your whole of this, 1,000 of this.
The whole of this,
The
man?
whole of that.
I got $500.
Yeah, man, you reach quick, man. Take your whole of that, man.
Alright, man.
Big up yourself, man. Big up
Stay
yourself.
strong, eh?
Yeah, man.
Alright, blood.
Yeah, generally know you would, man.
Yole, tap for your birthday.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
Respect.
Yeah. Alright. John was sir. Yo, me say that man, you're really youth, you know, man. I'm hungry still. Oh, why not box a move? And bring me a live chicken. Oh, me go eat a live chicken, yo. Anyway, you don't know me in a Guyana, you see it. Long time I no post a new video, so remember to like the video because we still at the like gang. Me miss you know. Check out Busy channel because you don't know him have a YouTube channel to upcoming Guyanese star. I mean, I don't know more to say more than bro. Next time, get me some fried chicken, not a live chicken.